This is how to set up your crypto index bot AI to profit up to $50 to $100 to $200 daily based on your initial balance. Navigate to agoclient.com and then click on Get Started to sign in. After signing in, click on the logo icon and then click on Launch App. And then when you get to your app.agoclient.com, click on your bot instances, which is the bot tab, and then click on the plus icon to create a new bot. As you can see, I already have this bot known as the 4-day trading tech. So if you click on the add coins, you are going to see it's on automatic mode, and we can keep on allowing it to trade. So allow your normal instance to trade with the automatic mode with your settings. If you do not know the settings to use, you can navigate to agoclient official channel on YouTube and then watch this video to guide you through on all the settings. Remember to click on the subscribe button and like the video. Back to our instance that we created. I am going to click on it and then rename it to top gainers because we want to set this instance to trade the top gainers token in our exchange. Click on add coins and then click on automatic to disable automatic mode, and then go to your exchange app, go to the market tab and futures top gainers. You can find that in anywhere in your exchange. So I'm going to add this first coin, which is BTW. So I've searched it and select it. Go to your exchange app again and add different top gainers coin up to top 50 or top 30 gainers coin. So I'm going to find a new one for the sake of this video, maybe this CATS USDT. And then add it. Then I am going to confirm. You can add up to top 20 or 50 based on your balance. If you add up to top 50 and your balance is not enough to trade up to 50 coins, you can click on the settings and then set your maximum trading symbols to maybe 10 or as the case may be. You can always set it to any amount equivalent to your balance. If you do not know, you can join the official Discord. Link is going to be in the description of this video. So we have our top gainers instance that is going to trade the top 10 pairs of top gainers that we've added. And we also have our normal instance, which is going to select coins automatically. Take note to always add top gainers anytime top gainers enters this list, so you can always add it to your top gainers. Also remember to limit your maximum number of coins to be proportional to your balance. So from now you have two instances, one which is the automatic selection of the pairs and the second one which is manual pairs that you've just added the top gainers token. From here you've invited two workers to work on your trading account. In the next video, I'm going to show you another professional way to supercharge your earning with the agoclient crypto index bot. So do well to click on the subscribe button, like this video, and let me know your target profits in the comment section. Until then, I will see you in the next video.